wood fire pizza out of a truck.
Il Fuoco Dentro.
What does that mean?
Fire inside in Italian.
Fire inside. Come on with it. Got the pepperoni cupping. Ooh. These pies look just as good as anything I've seen in like full-fledged pizzerias. Yo, y'all ready to see this?
My name is Brett.
Brett, tell me what you got going on here.
Wood fire pizza. We do it a little bit different. We don't offer a Neapolitan style pizza.
Okay.
It's more like maybe a Brooklyn style. I guess if you're looking for some type of an interpretation associated with it. It's a lot different when you feed people or provide a product that they seem to like and they're happy with it.
Yeah.
It's a very unique experience, I think.
Yeah.
You know, and fortunately both of us are a big fan of that. You know, Cameron Shields over on this side here.
What's up, Cameron?
What's going on, man? Yeah, we call it soul bucks, man. Soul bucks. So what we don't make on the weekend, we make up for, and what our customers like to say, which we love and appreciate more than anything else. So yeah, man, it's really cool experience. I'm glad you came out and excited for you to try, brother. Yeah.
Our margarita's strong. We have a special today with a Calabrian chili peppers on a margarita with burrata cheese and a little bit extra basil.
Okay.
If you like a little spicy, it's a little warm, it's not overly spicy. That might float your boat. Our regular margarita's awesome. Our grandma's awesome. Our pepperoni's slamming. Hot honey on the pepperoni. But we have about 12 pizzas on there, and we have a prosciutto arugula special today as well.
Okay.
So,
well, I'm just one person, so let me just get 2 pies.
okay.
And whichever pie you want to pick out.
Okay.
I like the pepperoni, the little cup in action
Yep,
too.
yep.
You know, I like that.
You like pepperoni, right?
I like
So we'll do a boardwalk with pep, and we'll do a margarita.
Let's do it.
And if you feel like it, inside they have the best, cleanest gelato around. You know, if you want to wash it down.
I might have to do that too.
Know what I'm saying?
I might have to do that too. I like the cupping action on the pepperoni. I asked him about that. This is super hot. Super hot. Here we go. Here we go. It's gonna be hot. Y'all ready? The fire inside. Doing real good, no complaints. Love the dough.
Thank you. Thank you.
Excellent dough.
Thank you.
Took the roll dice with the boardwalk with pepperoni, only because you guys a little bit more flavor, you know. So it's hard to choose when we're at. If you want to sit here, I'll keep beating you.
No.
Make no mistake.
I gotta hit the golf course after
I'll make
this.
12 different pizzas. You want to try them all?
I have my fans come and do that.
Okay.
They're gonna come and try all of them.
Thank you again for coming.
Anytime. Wow. Great crust, great dough. Nicely spread apart. Look at this. I don't even know if they put the honey on here. Fresh out the oven, super thin. I love the sweetness of that sauce. The cheese is great. The pepperoni has the right amount of spice to it. It's like a sweet, salty, a crunchy kind of like creation going on here. If you told me this was off the truck, I find it hard to believe. It's good as pepperoni. Pizza starts with the dough. Excellent dough. The way he cooks it, he lets it brown just enough, get that crunch on the outside. The inside still kind of tender. Just lots of flavor going on. This is a great pepperoni pie. Like, look at this. I love to see someone come over here and give them a score. I don't do scores. Y'all think I should do scores? Let me know. If you live in this town, I don't know why you wouldn't just pick up a pie. We got football coming back next week. These guys should be selling them like every week, selling out. Football season, you know pizza's football season. This one has been sitting, so it's gonna firm up a little bit. Other one was so, oh my God, look at that. This is beautiful too. I love the basil. Here you go. See, now this right here. I like the sweetness of the tomato sauce. Great dough. You know what it is? I'm kind of baffled. This came off of there. You know what I'm saying? Two slices. I'm gonna get the one with the basil. More basil. More basil, the better. So this is when you get the margarita. The dough gotta be good when you get the margarita because it's simple ingredients. Dough, sauce, cheese, basil. This is a great pizza truck. I've covered a lot of trucks. This is the first time I've covered pizza off of a truck. To see the setup, to see how they're able to have that pizza dome to create the heat, and to see the wood they use to burn to get that flavor in that crust. It's addicting. Y'all see, I ate these slices, I barely said a word. And some of y'all hate when I talk. Y'all be like, you talk too much, JL. Oh, good. Il Fuoco Dentro, the fire that burns inside. The flavor that's inside this box. Great stuff, guys, great stuff. Hey, no, maybe I'll get some gelato. Don't want to get some gelato? Let's get some gelato and see what it is. I'm about to end off this great pizza meal with one of your great treats.
Oh, yeah.
Well, first of all, what is this gelato?
Gelato is made with a skim milk and no cream, and that's your difference. It's all natural ingredients, but it's turned slow and long, so you get the softer texture to it.
What you give me, man?
Madagascar vanilla.
Madagascar
This is Baccio, which is chocolate hazelnut. And then I give you the Piedmont hazelnut crunch. Okay, so they're all swirled in together. And I hope you like it.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
This could very well be a great 1-2 step. You go to Il Fuoco Dentro. Hopefully that sounds like a curse word. Il Fuoco Dentro. Then you go to Regina. Pizza Gelato pizza. She hooked me up with a few things here. And it's starting to drip. Okay. Giving me ice cream vibes though. Man. Awesome flavors. That's what it's about. Sheesh. Whatever this one is, it had like crunchiness in there. My third meal of the day within like 2 hours. Actually, I'm lying, 3 hours. Third meal of the day. And I love it. I'm a happy man. Had some great pizza. Got some gelato. I'm in heaven. That's what it's about. I'm gonna call this the Mullica Hill 1-2 step right here. Get some pizza, get some gelato. That being said, thank you guys for joining me. I'm gonna finish this in privacy. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. Come check out the pizza truck, the gelato bar. Let me know what y'all think. See you in the next episode, all right?